Hello friends, welcome to X-Inova. Today I'll show you our new mini smartphone X16 Mini Plus. It has Face ID, sensitive touch control, quick heart description and a stable signal. It also have 13 ampere ultra real camera and 5 ampere ultra glowing self. Also inside storage 4 GB with 64 GB. Its size is 4 inch. Also have 3 AirPods. Now I'm showing inside. Inside have 3 AirPods, also cable and good quality charger. Also have cable and it's also have a cover, safety cover, and also have protector, skin protector. Now you can see this skin very smooth. It's look like iPhone mini size, very good quality and beautiful design. Also have many functions. You can see face lock. You can pattern, pin, also password can use for locking. Have a camera, you can see. It's also have a camera, good quality. You can make video also. You can take photo. Very smooth. The screen is very smooth. You can see many settings. Thank you guys. Welcome to X-Inova.